Hi, welcome to everyone.
All the images you are seeing are created with the help of artificial intelligence. You can also make beautiful images like this according to your creativity. There are many websites available today for creating text to image. However, I am going to tell you that one website is the best based on my user experience. So let us start our tutorial. Open any browser. Then type Lexica Art. This is the website, open it. Enter your mail ID and login. Here I give my mail ID and login already. You can search for the images you want by clicking on the search button that appears. Click the generate button to create a new photo for you. Here you can select size of the image and customize. Then you can select a model type and guidance scale. Here I am typing a new prompt. Here is what you need to pay attention to. Try to be very creative while giving a prompt, so you will get a better result. Create an image that captures the essence of a parent's love. Show a parent and child in a moment of tenderness and connection. Use color, light, and composition to convey the warmth and security of this relationship. Perhaps the image could depict a small, everyday moment, like a parent reading to their child or tucking them in at night. Or, it could showcase a milestone, such as a parent cheering their child on at a sports game or graduation. Whatever the scene, the focus should be on the deep bond between parent and child, and the unconditional love that exists between them. This is my prompt, then select Generate button. Amazing. See how fastly create image. Now I got 4 images. Which one is suitable I can choose and download.
Download image. Now I am giving you another prompt. Imagine stumbling upon a dilapidated old mansion deep in the woods. The house appears to have been abandoned for years, but upon closer inspection, you notice signs of recent activity. Use your camera to capture the unsettling feeling of exploring a house that may not be as empty as it seems. Are there clues to its recent inhabitants? Is there a reason why they chose to hide out in this remote and forgotten location? See, now I got good quality image.
Later, if you want to delete your generated photo, just click and delete.
If you want purchase, click settings, then choose a plan. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to others. Thank you. Bye.